Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the euro dollar did make another push down today. Hopefully, people have been taking my advice about only looking for shorts, even on the short time frames. It was a very small pullback today, but it definitely was a one, two, three-way pullback. Probably just a correction to this last wave from here to here. So, if you had your fib from here to here, I bet you would have seen a nice Fibonacci bounce and a big engulfing move. Probably better seen on like the 15-minute time frame, but definitely another trend trader's dream. No breaker structure. I am not even personally going to even think about looking for longs unless we get a break of this structure right here. Otherwise, I'm short all the way. And we're right in between two Fibonacci extension levels from the higher time frame, so there's really not much stopping this from continuing down. So definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So tomorrow's kind of a big day. We have PMI news tomorrow. Well, first of all, we got this Bailey speaks this evening. Definitely could move the pound pairs. But tomorrow is PMI day. We got all this PMI news tomorrow for Europe and for the UK and for the US. Usually, this PMI news is a pretty decent mover, so should expect to see some moves out of the market tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some breaks of structure finally. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.